Friends, this coronavirus pandemic has affected all the countries, all the regions, all the religion, all the caste, all the gender, and all the age group. And we have seen that due to this COVID-19 pandemic, there are lots of psychological problems, mainly anxiety, depression, stress, and isolation. Many researchers have found that the major problem is anxiety or stress. So, friends, let us discuss something about how to manage this stress. Stress to a certain extent is not bad because the stress actually encourages us to take some step. For example, in COVID-19 pandemic, if there is some stress, then we will go for washing our hands repeatedly and we will wear mask. This is normal stress. But if the stress is too much, then it affects both our psychological and our physical health. So, we must always know how to manage stress. But friends, due to this unknown disease which is sweeping across the country, along with that there are various safety measures like lockdown and stay at home orders, it has become very difficult to manage our stress. But however, I will tell you few tips how to manage stress. Friends, number one is that start your day well. So whenever we get up from our sleep in the morning, we either search for the mobile phone or we either go for some newspaper. So this should not be done. In the morning, while you get up from the bed, you should practice mindfulness training. This mindfulness exercise has been recognized as one of the very good measure against stress. What is mindfulness? Mindfulness is very simple. It is the meaning of the mindfulness is just enjoy and experience the present. Forget about past and stop worrying about future. Just live the moment. So when you get up from the sleep, try to see the three things around you. That may be a ceiling fan, that may be your picture of your family member or your god and goddess, or it may also be a bottle of water. Try to hear the first three things. That may be sound of a car, that may be sound or the chirping of a bird, or it may be the sound of your pet. Number three is try to notice three things around you or feel three things around you. That may be your pillow, that may be your bed sheet, or that may even be your dog, your pet dog sleeping with you. So forget all the pent up, all the stress, all the worries. Start the day well. Number two, friends, in this pandemic situation, sleeping is very important. So try to sleep minimum 6 to 7 hours a day. How do you sleep? You will ask me, so many stress, how do I sleep normally? For that you should maintain sleep hygiene. What is sleep hygiene? You should not take any drinks or any stimulating drinks like caffeine after sunset, after 6 p.m. You should not take very rich food in the dinner. You should not keep on watching TV after 7 p.m., 7:30 p.m., which will stimulate your brain. And you should not too much play with your cell phone, smartphone. That will also stimulate your brain and affect your sleep. You can take a shower in the warm water. You can go for mild exercise in the evening, which will make you sleep better. And friends, while you sleep, that should be a fixed time. You should not sleep today at 10 o'clock, tomorrow at 12 midnight. It should not be like that. It should be a fixed time. And your bed should be tidy, neat and clean. And your room should be properly ventilated. And it should be neither very damp nor very hot. So these are the sleep hygienes, friends. Number three, you should exercise regularly in your house You can exercise. If you can exercise outdoor, it's okay, but because of this pandemic, you better to exercise indoor. Number 4, you should take nutritious food. It will also boost up your immunity, and it will also boost up your mental stamina, mental strength to cope up with the stress. And last, friend, I will talk about a technique which is called box breathing. When in the office or when in the midday you feel too much stress, you should go for box breathing, which has been proved to be very helpful. So I'll show you how to do it. You take breath for 4 seconds. Then you hold it for 4 seconds. You take breath through the nostril, you hold it for 4 seconds, and then release for 4 seconds. After you release, you hold again your empty breath. Neither you inhale nor you exhale. So it makes a cycle of 4 steps. 4 seconds inhaling, 4 seconds holding, 4 seconds exhaling, and in that position stay for 4 seconds. You repeat this cycle for 4 to 5 times. This is called box breathing. And lastly, while you go to bed, you can go for an exercise which is called body scanning. You sleep, lie down on your bed, and you forget everything, whether your boss has scolded you, your wife has got something with you. You just forget the remnants of the day, whatever you have done in the day. You try to feel your feet and try to relax the muscles of your feet and feel that as if anxiety is going out. Once the feet is over, move upwards. Try to feel your ankles. Then try to feel your calf muscles. Try to feel your thigh muscles. Soften the muscles. There should not be any tightening. Soften the muscles, release your tension, and gradually come upwards. Your thighs, then your stomach, then your chest muscle, your neck muscle, your back of the neck muscle, and lastly your face and head. By the way you come up to this level, you will feel very relaxed and you will go to a very, very good sleep. Thank you, friends. Stay safe, stay healthy.